Okay, so we got the CLR Clean Ready Grill that Kenzie is about to attempt to. You can see all my drippings kind of fell down here. That's attracting a bunch of flies, and my smoker up here is looking kind of nasty. So she's going to use the CLR and do her best to clean it up. Right, Kenzie?
Yes.
All right. So we'll come back after she's done using this and see how it looks. Okay, she's done. You see, she got a little dirty, but look how much cleaner that is. See, the flies are hanging around because they're looking for their food that was there. It's not there anymore. And this is what the grill looks like. You can go back to the front of the video. You can see it was much, much dirtier. The rust is still there, obviously, but that doesn't really hurt anything. So, it looked good, and she said it came off really easy. How'd it work?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Easy.
Much better than soap and water, you think?
Yes.
Okay, well, there you have it.
I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.